Running out of space on your Android phone? Your system storage might be the reason. In this video, I will show you step-by-step method to clear it and free up space instantly. Launch your settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Battery and Device Care. Now head over to the option Storage. Here you'll see how much storage is being used by apps and the system itself. System storage usually fills up with software updates and system files. To keep it optimized, go back to the main settings page. Tap Software Update, click on Download and Install. Make sure you are running the latest version. This often clears unnecessary cached update files. Next, head back into Settings and tap Apps. Here's the trick. Scroll through the list and pick apps you don't really use. Tap on the app, select Force Stop, then tap OK to confirm. This helps remove temporary storage that apps may be hoarding. Repeat this for other unused apps. Likewise, click on the option Android Auto and click on Force Stop for it. Click on OK. And that's it. This is how you can clear system storage on Android phone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.